Hi guys, how are you? It is day 4 of our Ocean City vacation, and right now we're getting ready to go spend the day on the beach.
After I get to New Zealand.
Hello, ladies.
Hello.
They're barnacles.
Ooh.
Just gotta make sure you wash them.
There's these pretty ladies.
I found this sound.
All the sounds. Ooh. Oh, that's cold.
Alex, be careful. Alex, watch out.
Alright, watch out.
Although it's a show, but your foot is pulled away now. Yeah, calm
Andy, what's your favorite part about being in the ocean?
Being in the ocean.
Being in the ocean, that's your favorite part?
Can I pick two?
Yeah.
I like the waves.
You like
and
the waves?
seashells.
And seashells. Love it.
I got a good shell. Where is it? Where is it? It got in my foot. On your foot? Yes.
Don't move.
Oh, somebody help.
The waves are big today.
I got it.
Good, go put it in the pile.
Mom, I got it. Good, good, good.
Megan and Andy are holding hands.
Get down for the angle.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. The beach photographer guy's taking pictures of my sister's kids. And Andy's like, we need a jumping picture. This guy is so nice. The boys normally hate their picture being taken. Charlotte does not want pictures. She's like, who is this man talking to us?
I was like, get away from me. He kept trying to take your picture.
Someone else for a second.
He kept trying to take your picture while you were down by the beach there.
My sister's kids hate their photos taken. So the fact that these boys are willingly getting their picture taken and like holding hands, these boys don't hold hands with each other. They normally fight. This guy is amazing at his job. This one's not falling for it, which is fine.
20 years from now, Charlotte's going to say, see, you guys didn't even let me get in a picture with you. No.
Don't lose the keychain.
I'm joking, saying 20 years from now, you know your mom's going to end up spending $175 on pictures of this guy. Then 20 years from now, you're going to forget that you refused to get in. You're going to see, you guys didn't even let me get in the picture. That's how much you guys didn't like me.
I don't know where he went. He must be on the other side. Alex is trying to climb on the whale.
Whoa, Andy, look at that plane.
Oh, what is he? Is he chasing a seagull with a shovel? Okay then.
I'm trying to get them food on.
You did it! Look at him. We had a lot of fun down at the ocean, but now the plan is to go back to the condo and swim in the pool. Because the ocean's fun, but you can't really like, it's not easy to swim in. You get knocked down by the waves. So we're gonna go swim in the swimming pool. This is how he does the sunscreen by himself. So it's a lot later in the day. After we were at the beach, we just relaxed at the condo for a while. But now me and my sisters are having a girls' night out. And we're having dinner at a place called Bad Monkey. Say hi. Hello. Yay, sister time.
There's even a monkey on the table.
There is a monkey on the table. I got monkey punch. Yeah. Hello. Are you excited to be somewhere without your children? Yes. We love the children, but sometimes it's nice to not be right next to the children.
I guess I get to eat puppy and pick her sat on or have something spilled on it.
Right?
I get to be myself for me.
Yeah. You're gonna kick yourself?
I've done that.
I love you. I got Lord of the Fries. She got breakfast for dinner. And you got the Hitman. Yum. Good morning. It is now day 5 of our vacation. I didn't film anything last night after we went to dinner, but my sisters and we had a great time together. We just kind of hung out, talked. It was fun. But today is actually my dad's birthday, so we're gonna do some special stuff for his birthday later. But right now, I need to make some coffee and just relax for a little bit this morning. Right now, we are down at the inlet, and we're gonna go to the Life-Saving Museum and do some other fun things down here.
My favorite.
I think cool topic is the hot. It's like the family concept hot.
Oh, he ate the popcorn. The one with the black head.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, they're all coming now. They've notified their friends.
Oh my word.
They've notified the friends.
Andy gets scared when there's too many.
I'm just scared they're gonna poop on my helmet.
You're scared they're gonna poop on your helmet?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, they all got.
Black feathers.
Dude, look at them.
We are starting a war. Seagull Civil War.
Oh, down a thought.
Why?
That's all you wanted to do?
Whoa!
Okay. Andy and Alex are free. I wonder if they still have those,
I just annoyed you, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
Sorry. I don't think I'd want to be in there. No, thank you. Alex, are you having fun with your scavenger hunt?
Yeah.
Did you see this one?
Yeah, I saw this one.
You got that one already? There's a dog. So there's your little
Now I
shark.
just need to find if he has a top hat on his face or a mustache on his face.
This thing terrified me when I was a kid.
This?
I don't think she still laughs anymore. When I was a kid, oh wait, press the button. Does she laugh?
Oh, she don't move though.
She used to move. Isn't that terrifying?
She goes,
Yeah, she did. This is what she used to do when I was a kid, okay?
Do I press the button?
Yeah, press the button. Terrified me. Because I was about this height, and she'd be all like, terrifying.
Yeah.
Hated it. Right now, oh gosh.
Your face!
We're at Bull on the Beach, waiting for our table because it's my dad's birthday, so it's his special birthday dinner. What are you? Beef.
something bit my
Good, you guys playing concentration, and then these boys doing, I don't know what the heck they're doing. Why is beef your go-to? We are done at Bull on the Beach. We had a lovely dinner, and now some of us are gonna swim in the pool.
Nothing more than an Aunt Bridget.
Oh.
Nothing more.
Because that's her name.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know which one I'm gonna go for. You filming this?
Yep.
And I've done it before.
Oh, you're not gonna jump in?
Maybe whenever it's warmer outside.
Okay. It is now the next morning, and I believe it's day 6 of our trip. After we swam in the pool last night, we sang happy birthday and had birthday cake for my dad, and we just relaxed and hung out in the condo. But right now, me, my sister Andrea, my niece Megan, and my niece Charlotte, we're all getting ready to go to the Ripley's Believe It or Not museum up on the boardwalk and have some fun. Off to Ripley's we go. You excited? Yeah? Charlotte, are you excited?
Are you going on the spinning tunnel?
Oh, yes.
I'll probably pee my pants again.
Oh my gosh.
No, it was not Kennywood.
I'm gonna go in the spinny
I told
tunnel.
you about
Look,
this.
me and Megan are matching.
I want Adeline Peter pants.
Wow. Yeah.
We always get one after.
She's gonna get her fortune from the Zoltar. Ooh. Magic.
Hear your fortune from Zoltar. Ah, yes. It looks like today must be your lucky day, for I see relaxation in your future. Have no worries about your troubles, my friend. Zoltar has wisdom enough to conquer them all. Surrender to me your treasure, and let me tell you more.
Fortune.
I see you.
Oh, these things. Okay, yeah. Whoa. I know I'm not moving, but it feels like it. I was about to walk by, but I really thought I was gonna, like, get in their picture. They're not real people. Who poses like that? Is she supposed to be holding something? Hi. How you doing? She scared me again.
Why doesn't Charlotte want to do it?
There's Megan, Andrea, and me. Wow. Make your guys' hands a heart together. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. That does not look like a heart, but okay.
Whatever that is.
Yeah, what is that? It's not how you make a heart.
It is painful. I can't do it. This is the best I can do.
Is that what you're doing?
Ew.
Ew.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
No! What? You hug that wall. Hi.
Hello.
We're about to have dinner at the Angler. And then we're gonna ride a boat.
And then a boat.
Hey look, here's our other people.
Phone camera.
What?
I just put my her phone camera.
Oh. Hey girl. One. Hi. Dad, smile. Andy, smile. Smile. We just ate our dinner and now we're getting ready to go on the boat. It's over there.
Jump,
There it is.
scare.
Do you have something to say? He's dancing in front of the boat.
I'm gonna look at this. I'm gonna look at this in 5 years and think, "Wow, this dude was cringy. Wonder who he is." Me realizing that it's me.
Cringy. Alex, can I see your ketchup face?
Apparently not.
Here, turn your head. Oh yeah, ketchup
Look at his
face.
sunburn peeling.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, don't fall in. Wow.
I'm gonna get kicked off this boat. I'm gonna kick you off the boat. Literally.
Show up on my camera.
Because the sun is on.
Megan, yeah, Alex.
I love pigeons.
You'll be fine.
Whoa.
Look at the
Like you're a little nervous there.
Probably gonna be top heavy.
Wee-woo. I'm on a boat. I love your Bacon Bits song.
Bacon bits. She's bacon bits.
Like I'm about to be on like a drop tower or something.
Me too. She's bacon bits. Bacon bits.
stops as soon as I point to her. He's Woodaway on a boat. He's Woodaway on a boat. Where's he going? Woodyan. Woodaway.
Can I stand now?
He just wants to stand on the boat so bad.
The ocean has speed limits confirmed. What are they gonna do? Pull me over in their little... Oh, don't hit that buoy now. Oh, it's going faster. Celebration. Imagine if you caught me throwing up on filming. YouTube would demonetize you, I think.
It's now the next morning, and I forgot to end the vlog. After the boat ride, we came back to the condo, went up to the boardwalk for a little while, and then came back and went to bed. Thanks for watching. I love your beautiful faces, and I will see you next time. Bye!